Thank you so much for watching these videos on final business. This one is about the final business for the survivors of our hospice patients, and I hope you've taken some time to grieve. I hope you took to heart all of the first 3 videos on life's final business, and you're planning on taking care of everything for yourself so that you have better peace of mind and to help your survivors when they're actually grieving your loss. So let's now review some tasks of the survivors after the death has occurred. Remember, if you have no will and last testament, the state will be mandating how this is handled. So now we are talking about someone's death with family or friends available to take care of tying up the important steps of one person's life. I'm going to mention some of them because it's very complex. If you've had a joint account with your loved one, you'll still want to contact your bank to request to set up a new bank account just in your name. If the bank account was only in the name of the deceased, the assets may go through probate unless they are in a trust account. So again, get that taken care of early. What's probate? It is a legal process that involves a court overseeing the distribution of assets after someone dies. So how do you avoid that? Again, hopefully you have designated beneficiaries of your assets or made sure you had all your accounts in a joint status if you were married. It's really time to collect all the important papers. Death certificate. You're going to need many legal copies of the death certificate that are obtained for a small fee from the funeral director. It's recommended to purchase up to 14 or 15 copies, even if you don't need them all, because you do need more than you might expect. And if you have to order more and it's after a 6-month period, you might have to go to the State Bureau of Vital Statistics office, and that's more complex. You're going to need a certified death certificate for any Social Security, life insurance, pension accounts, bank accounts, other investments, changing the title on a jointly owned property. If you plan to apply for Social Security survivor benefits, you're going to need birth certificates. Birth certificates for the deceased person, his or her dependent children, and for yourself. You will also need a marriage certificate. If you've been married, you're going to have that Social Security number, Medicaid card of the deceased ready. And if you're eligible to, and you plan to claim veterans benefits, you're going to need all of that and a copy of the honorable discharge. If you don't have one, you're going to have to write to the Department of Defense and attention to the Veterans Branch of Service. Get that copy of the will and a list of assets, and make sure you get that contingency list that has all of the insurance policies, the trust documents, the stock certificates, bank accounts, credit cards, all of that. Get it in one place, because in almost every type of closure you'll need to have those at hand. I'm going to stop right there because this is incredibly complex and there is so much written about this. You may have to talk with your CPA and your attorney. There are many lists of things that I have mentioned but are online that can help you with this process. But again, make sure you take time to process your own grief, feel it when it comes up. Reach out to your hospice team because bereavement care is available. Thanks so much for watching this series, and I hope it really helps you get all of your business in order before it's chaotic and dramatic and it's an urgent need. We are at the Hospice Care Plan. Brenda and I are the Care Queens, and our motto is Care is Treatment. Find our booklet at our website, the Hospice Care Plan, and please watch more videos at our YouTube channel, the Hospice Care Plan. Thanks so much.